So today we're going to do a range test on the Reign TX-100 transmitter and the Reign XRE-100 relay extender / receiver. We will also have a more detailed video on our YouTube channel of the features, functionality, and settings of both of these. Today we just wanted to show you a range test to show you just how far this transmitter receiver combo can go, which is its claim to fame. So a couple things that we want to point out real quick. You can see that I have 12 volts DC 1 amp wired into the power input, which is the red terminal. 12 volts DC 1 amp is the minimum power requirement, so we want to make sure we have that. And I've got my relay timer set here. This can do latching or timed, and again we'll explain that a lot more in our training video that we're going to be releasing. But right now I've got that set. I've got my dip switches set correctly, and you will see when I press my transmitter button, you can see the indication by the green light that's proving that that relay won. This relay right here is on, and then it went off again. I'll show you that. That is turning on and off based off of the timer that I have set here from the potentiometer. You are also given an indication on the transmitter. When you press the transmitter, red means transmit, and when it receives green back, that means that it did trigger the relay on the XRE-100. So if you're not able to see whatever it is you're triggering, you're given confirmation on the transmitter. I'll show you that again. It will go red, then green. Okay? And we'll do it one more time. Red, then green. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this transmitter, we're going to go for a little walk, see how far we can go before we lose range.